Nice beard. And quite hairy too. You're a nice looking guy. I just do that for bad because the other guy was a cheeky bitch. His name was Puffin, and he was right bitch on here talking with you. Oh, Noel did this, Noel did that, Noel did nothing. There's a crowd of them, but somebody was telling me he's off. Growler now doesn't come on it. They were bitching and they were like drama queens. Puffin and a guy called Kieran, that there was a crowd of them. Apparently he came off Growler now. So I was asking somebody, I never see him on it. My name's Noel, by the way. I'm Warpath too. He was just Warpath. He was right bitching with this and bitching with that, and talking to people behind his back. And he said he was he said he was good looking, and he has. Have you seen his teeth? All rotten.
Please close it.
Have you a hairy chest? I would love if you were here. Would you hear me burping? Never heard. My stomach rattled. My stomach rattled, but I think you'd hear it. Didn't think you'd hear my stomach rattling. Do you have much hair in your chest? Yes, I dyed it. Your beard's nice too. I like guys' grey beards too. I love if you were here now with me. We'd be cuddling up to each other and cuddling up to you. Love to cuddle up to you. It'd be nice to video chat sometime. I love to get a video chat with you. Video, message me anytime.